Welcome to Charu's Food Corner. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today let us see another very easy and simple but tasty recipe, red lentil curry. It is one of the very household recipes in Maharashtra and it is enjoyed with roti or rice. I have posted the ingredients in the description box. First of all, I have taken cooked lentils. If you are using pressure cooker, just cook it with equal amount of water and pressure cook it with 3 whistles. If you are using Instapot settings, use 10 minutes manual mode. Now I am mixing these cooked lentils with a beater. Many times people forget this step while making curries made up of various lentils, but it is very important to mix it well to get a nice consistency of the preparation. Here I have taken a saucepan on high flame. Once it's hot, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, I am adding mustard seeds. We have to wait until the mustard seeds nicely pop. If you don't have mustard seeds, you can use only cumin seeds. To replace it, here I am using a mixture of both. You can use either one for the tempering. So if you see now, they are nicely popped. Now let's add some cumin seeds. Once they get fried nicely, we will be adding turmeric. Don't add turmeric before the seeds pop, otherwise it might get charred and it gives bitter flavor. Immediately as we add turmeric, we mix it a bit and we will add diced tomatoes. Here the preparation is for 4 people and generally I take half tomato for 2 people. So here I have taken 1 diced tomato. The quantity might also depend on how sour the tomatoes are. If they are too sour, you add less tomatoes. Now I am adding julienne cut garlic here. If you notice, I haven't added the garlic before tomatoes because I don't want that burnt garlic flavor in this preparation. I want garlic just a little bit roasted and then I'm going to boil this garlic along with the lentils, which will give it a different flavor. Instead of a burnt garlic flavor, we are going to get some raw garlic flavor into our preparation. Once it's mixed, now I'm adding the pre-cooked lentils. You have to keep stirring it a bit so that everything is evenly mixed. So now we have to let it boil for almost 4 to 5 minutes until the garlic and the lentils boil together and the flavors are mixed nicely. Now once it's boiling, add red chili powder. The quantity will differ as per the hotness required. Here I am adding almost 1 teaspoon. Then I am adding goda masala, which is a very typical Maharashtrian spices mixture. You can get it in the market. Adding salt as per taste. Let's mix it properly. Red lentils are very rich source of proteins and antioxidants. It is one of the very tastier alternative if you're looking for vegetarian source of protein. But there are some reports that excessively eating red lentils leads to some kidney damage or it has some neurotoxins. Not sure, but that's why I try to make this recipe less frequently, like less than once in a month. But it is very tasty and it's very super quick recipe. But again, as I said, I would suggest to eat it in a very limited quantity. So now this is nicely boiled. I'm adding some water to it. If you're going to eat it with bread or naan, you can keep the consistency little bit thick. But today I'm going to serve it on side of rice, so I am making it more liquidy texture. So we have to wait until it's boiled nicely. Then add some cilantro or coriander leaves and let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes again. And our preparation is ready. And I have served it on side of rice in a serving bowl. Do give it a try. It is a very simple yet very yummy recipe. And please let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe and how it turns out. And for such super easy recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.